In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Poweramp app on Android. To start, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You will see a colorful icon filled with a white shopping bag. This is your gateway to millions of apps. Once the store opens, the interface is user-friendly, showcasing various categories. You can easily navigate through it. Finding the Play Store is crucial because it is the safest way to download apps. This ensures you get the latest version of Poweramp without any risk of malware. Next, you will need to search for Poweramp Music Player. At the top of the screen, there is a search bar where you can type in what you're looking for. Simply tap on that bar and start typing Poweramp Music Player. As you type, suggestions may appear below. This feature helps you quickly find the right app. It is essential to type the name accurately to avoid confusion with other apps. Take your time to ensure it is spelled correctly. Once you find the app, tap the official app published by Poweramp Software Design, which is also known as Max MP. The app should have a distinctive logo that stands out. It's crucial to select the official version to ensure you receive all the features and updates. Choosing the wrong app may lead to a poor experience. Once you tap on the app, you will be taken to its download page where you can see its description, ratings, and reviews. Now tap Install and wait for the download to finish. After you hit Install, the button will change to indicate that the app is being downloaded. The progress bar shows you how much time is left. This step is important because it ensures that the app is correctly downloaded and installed on your device. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few moments. You can check your notifications for the download status, but do not worry. It usually completes quickly. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. The icon will now appear in your app drawer. When you tap Open, the app will load and you will be greeted with its home screen. This is where the fun begins. By opening the app, you can start exploring its features. Poweramp is known for its powerful audio capabilities, and you will soon see why it is a favorite among music lovers. This action confirms that everything has been set up correctly. Remember, downloading apps from the Google Play Store is a straightforward process. Following these steps ensures that you get the best experience with Poweramp Music Player. You now have a powerful tool for enjoying your music library. Enjoy the rich features and customization options that Poweramp offers. Your music experience will be transformed, and you can explore various settings to enhance your listening pleasure.